We had a question from Thomas who asks, what part of the body do we feel with the neutron GANs?
All of it, what you want to do with it. Neutron, especially neutron plasma, or what we call plasma created out of interaction, is at the strength that
Sorry,
can be
sorry,
used
Mr.
by
Kesh,
any number.
you said a plasma created out of, and we couldn't hear
Interaction
it.
of neutrons.
Okay,
That's what
thank.
I explained before. You create a, you see, up to now, whenever you made ganses, even when you made the neutron, you captured it. Neutron, the neutron which you created from deuterium and tritium is different than the neutron you created out of deuterium and hydrogen. So they are of the different strength, even though there are neutron, which is one single cell of plasmas, their interaction, the same as what you did, here you brought your neutron in salt water. When you create a plasma of neutron, it should be nothing. If you increase it, force it, you should see light in this middle. There is a way to do it. You can take this light, is the way. Go back to one of the teachings of Caroline and what I thought in Valletta. Go back to the teaching, find it. Caroline taught one or two sessions about the energy holding in hand. It's very much that teaching comes here. You, if you understand how, you can take this plasma, you can take this light and place it accordingly. As it produces, it's the mother, it's the origin, it's the creator of the creation. And then if you can place it, as I explained last time, you'll find out automatically finds its own position. You get your star formation, you get your spaceship. Most of the, not most of, 100% of the spaceship, these spaceships use this technology. I have taught you the knowledge of the universe beyond your understanding. But with this neutron plasma free, because it carries the full spectrum of the universal, if you're a cat, you get what you need of it. If you're a man, you take one from it because it feeds us accordingly. If you're from planet Zeus, you'll get what you like. These neutron plasma bases are the base of, I explained this last week. You don't see any structure. You don't see containment, you don't see boxes. But they have a habit, if you can create the right condition, that they absorb energy in what they lose from the environment of the space, not from internal space. Because this is the balance when they can confirm their own existence. So they feed themselves from outside. There are three spaceships, if you look into the horizon of night, that you see are made of this. And our scientists, they call them planets so many millions lights away. They're less than 10 minutes flight from Earth. These, what they call plasma energy space systems, they are massive. Some of them are hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Because they accommodate any energy. It's like a service station. Anybody comes in, you're welcome. There are fields in it. You see them through the field direction. I've taught this to Caroline. She can see them. We see the communication line with them. The plasma, neutron plasma, if you come to that level to understand it, it's one of the only ways to create total, what we call, no space, no time travel. To you, the star has been there from the time of dinosaurs, but it's just a spaceship, a few seconds of its life, just passing a stop in the sea. To us, is a long time. How many times we rotate around the sun? It doesn't count the rotation of the Earth around the sun. It's nothing. It's meaningless. It's timeless. There have been a number of massive spaceships which, when I read, they call it, this is a star so and so, and they give it a number. I said, so stupid. These are what you call spaceships. These are made in this way. One of them has many of its citizens, or what they call as passengers on this planet. You need them. They carry a specific features which normal man does not recognize. It's very much you say the guy is a Chinese and the guy is Indian. If you have the knowledge I carry, I know where they come from. I know, I see them. I do. You see the physicality, I see the soul. I know where the origin comes from. If you reach to this level of understanding how to create plasma of neutron, which is the ultimate, is a part of the creation of the soul of the creator, is done this way. It's totally free. It takes the shape of anything, it feeds anything. Because it carries off the highest order, it doesn't need to emit a lot, but when it emits, it gives so much of. Most of what you call central line um, principal matters of the universe are created from these. And you can see how powerful they are that lead to creation of a full universe. And if they collapse, the whole universe collapses. You see the collapse of galaxies, we see the collapse of universes, and this is when the central energy, it reaches a point of criticality. Universes collapse exactly like stars do and the galaxies do.